If you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 to a car, then in that case what you need to do is first of all we need to go to settings. Now over here in settings we're gonna switch to connected devices, and afterwards we're gonna scroll down in here in order to find Android Auto. In my case I actually have to update it, so let me quickly do that. I'm just gonna actually exit, go back to connected devices. And then once it is updated, we're gonna just go back to Android Auto over here. And now as you can see, we have settings, but we're gonna press connect a vehicle over here. And we have the instruction that we can connect our tablet to our car with the USB-C cable. Now, if your car supports wireless Android Auto, then we can choose connect using wireless Android Auto. Over here we have another instruction, and if needed, you can go to Bluetooth by choosing connect using Bluetooth, and then you might confirm, there we go, by pressing pair a vehicle. And then in here in available devices you should be able to find your car and connect your tablet to your car. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.